Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. First standard. Subject mathematics. Topic special understanding. Continuation class. Students, this is your in last class we have seen top bottom. Okay? TOP top, BOTTOM bottom. Next we have seen on under. Okay, on UNDER under. Next inside outside INSIDE inside OUTSIDE outside. Above below ABOVE above BELOW below. Above below. Next now we are going to see near far. Okay children, next small big, less more, before, after and between. Today we are going to see these four things. Okay children. Now we are going to see near and far. What is this near and far? It is a distance. Distance from the dog, from where it is, where the place is. Okay, from here to what the distance are there. Observe the picture children here. The dog is sitting near the mango tree. Here is a dog and it is sitting in the under the mango tree. Okay, but the tortoise, what is this? This is the tortoise. But this tortoise is far to the mango tree. This is far to the mango tree. This tortoise is far to the mango tree. Okay. The tortoise is near to the coconut tree. What is this? This is the coconut tree. Okay. This tortoise is near to the coconut tree. But the dog is far towards this coconut tree. This is far towards the coconut tree. Which one? This dog. This dog is far towards the coconut tree. Okay. This is here is a distance between this and here. Okay. This is near to the mango tree and this is near to the coconut tree. Okay. This is a distance from here to here, which is near and which is far. You understood children? This is known as near and far. Did you understand the concept? Okay, next we'll see children. Next, going to look here. See here. Look at the picture. Fill in the blanks with the near and far. You have to fill that which is near and which is far. Okay, children. Look at the picture here. Okay. Here, Bina is. Who is Bina? She is Bina. Bina is near to the house. Where she is? She is near to the house. Bina is near to the house. And Bijoy is far from the house. He is far from the house. See here the distance between that Bina and Bijoy. He is far from the house. She is near to the house. Okay. You have to write in your textbook this one. Complete your this activity in textbook. Draw a tree far from the pond. Draw a tree far from the pond. Here there is a place. You have to draw this tree. Okay children? Draw a mouse near the tree. Draw a mouse. You have to draw this coconut tree. Okay? For this tree. One tree you have to draw. Afterwards, you have to draw a mouse near the tree. This is the pond. What they have told? The tree from the pond. Far. The far from the sea. Children, draw a tree far from the pond. It is a far. No. First you have to draw this tree. Then draw a mouse near the tree. Okay. Finish this or you have to do in your textbook itself. Next. Observe this one children. Observe the picture. Do has directed. See here. They have given instruction here. Okay. First you observe the picture. Which is near and which is far. Okay. Color the flower near the girl. Color the flower near the girl. Which is near the girl? Flower. It is here. You have to color it in red color, children. Look here. You have to color it in red color. I have colored for you, and you have to do in your textbook. Okay. And B, second one is color the flower far from the girl. Which is far from the girl? Girl is here. And the flower far is this one. You have to color it in yellow color. You have to color it in yellow color. Okay. Next, C. Color the tree far from the girl. Which is color the tree? Which is the color tree? Here there are 3 trees. You have to color it in green color. This 3 trees you have to color in green color, children. Okay. Now next, D. Color the butterflies near the girl. What they ask? They ask color the butterfly near. Which is near? These two butterflies are near, and this one is far. You should not color for this. You have to color the near butterfly. This one in blue color. I have colored for you, and you have to do it in your textbook. Okay. This one you have to color in the blue color, blue butterfly. Okay, children. We are going to see small and big. S-M-A-L-L. Small. B-I-G. Big. Okay. Small and big. In this only you know which is small and which is big. Okay. Let us compare the size of the fox and an elephant. What we are going to do? Let us see size of comparing the size. What size is this? Is big. This elephant is big. And the fox one is small. It is compared to elephant. This fox is very small. Compared to elephant, this is small. And compared to this is very big. No, is it not? A fox is a small. This is a fox. This is small. And an elephant is a big. They have given here big. This is a big in size. Yes, no? In size comparison, children. This is small one. Which one? Fox. And this one is big one. Next. Here is some activity for you, children. You have to do this. Observe the figure. Circle the small object and cross the big object, each group. You have what you should do. They have given some figures, and you have to circle it. Circle the small one. They have told circle the small one. You have to circle for what is this? This is the 2 water bottles. Okay. For small one you have to circle it, and for the big one you have to cross it. Okay. Into. You have to put into. And here what is this? Here this is pumpkin and this is brinjal. You have to circle small one. You have to circle small one. And for pumpkin you have to put cross. Okay. You have to put cross. Here next see. What is this? This is a rat and this is a cat. Which is smaller than this? Cat or rat? Rat is a smaller one. You have to circle it. And cat you have to cross out. Okay. Next D. In this what is this? Tomato, and this is cherry. Okay. Which is smaller? This one. You have to circle this, and tomato put cross. Okay. Next, draw a star bigger than the given one given. Look here, children. Draw a star bigger than one given. They have given one star here. Okay. This is small. From this you have to draw a big star. You have to draw big star. Okay. You have to draw here. And then second one, draw a flower smaller than the given one. Draw a flower smaller than the one given. They have given one flower here. You have to draw a smaller one. Compared to this, you have to draw a small flower here. Okay. Observe third one. observe each object, write yes for the small object and B for the big object. Okay children, you have to draw, for small you have to draw yes, and for big you have to draw big B. Okay, big object. Here is, what is this? This is the two tables are there. This is the big table and this is a small table. You have to draw, you are to write here big B. Here you have to write yes, small. And B1, what is this? This is the pencil and eraser. Which is bigger? Pencil is a bigger. You have to write here B. And here you have to write yes. Okay. C. What is this? This is the duster. Duster and a chalk. Okay. B for big one. S for small one. Okay. And this one, two. There are two books are there. This is big one and this is small one. S for small and B for big one. Next, we are going to see less. Less or more. What do you mean by less or more? See here children. This bucket has more water. See here. Which is more in these two buckets? This one. This is the more water in this. In this bucket there is more water. And this bucket has less water. In this bucket has less water. This is more. And this is less. This is the quantity of the two buckets. Okay. This is this is more water. Consists of more water in this. And this is less water is there in this bucket. And one more example children. Here what is this? Dots. Here there is more dots. Okay. Here more dots are there. And here less dots are there. No, compared to this. This one is less dots. We are comparing from this to this. Okay. This is more. And this is less. Okay. Next, observe this picture and do as directed. Children, look here. Circle the content. What is this? This is a pen. In container, they have kept pencils. Okay, circle the container with more pencil. Which is more pencil? This one. You have to circle it. Okay. Cross the container with the less pencil. You have to cross it. You have to cross this one. Okay. You should do in your textbook itself. Second, D and B. Now what you should do? What is this? This is here two trees or their fruits. Okay. Circle the tree which more fruits. Which is more fruits in this? Here this one is, this tree has more fruits, children. And cross out the trees which less fruit. Here is a less fruit, children. You have to cross out. Put into for this. Okay, cross. You have to put the cross. Next, observe the group. Put correct the one that has less item and wrong the one that has more item. Okay. In this, which is less? They have given some examples, children. You have to look here. Okay. This is mangoes. Okay. Which is more? This has more mangoes and this is less. And here what is that given? Here this is, they have more cycle. Put into for this, and this is less cycle. Put correct for this. Okay. And here they have given this, here more birds are there. Here less, one is less birds are there. You put right here and put into for this. And what is this? Bananas. Here there is more bananas. Here some bananas are there. Okay. Did you understood? Which is more and less. Now we are going to study before, after and between. Dear children, now we are going to study before, after and between. So look here children, here there are three animals are there. A dog, a lion a zebra or standing in the line. Okay, they are standing one by one. Okay, the dog is, where is dog? It is here. Okay, the dog is before the lion. Before the lion, the dog is there. Okay, the lion is before the zebra. The lion is before the zebra. It is standing before the zebra. The lion is after the dog. The lion is after the dog. The zebra is after the lion. The zebra is after the lion. The lion is between, where it is? Between the dog and the zebra. The lion is between dog and the zebra. Okay, children, what is this? One by one. One after. Dog is standing in the first. Second one, this is before the lion is standing. And this is between dog and the zebra. And zebra is standing. Where is zebra standing? Yes, after the lion. After the lion, zebra is standing. Did you understand, children? Before, after and between. Okay, where they are standing, you can understand it by look at your pictures. Okay, next, look here, children, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. You have to fill this. Okay, the horse is before the goat. Where is the horse? Horse is here. Before the goat, it is before the goat. The goat is before the cow. The goat is before the cow. Before the cow. Okay, the goat is after the horse. The goat is after the horse. The cow is after the goat. The cow is after the goat. The goat is between the horse and the cow. The goat is between horse and the cow. Okay, did you understand this? Then look at the pictures and name the following, children. What is this? This is the truck. And what is this? This is the tempo. And what is this? This is the car. And what is this? This is the scooter. The vehicle is before the tempo. Where is the vehicle? Before the tempo? Truck. Truck is the before the tempo. And two vehicles before the car. Which are there? Tempo and the truck. Tempo and the truck before the car. The three vehicles before the scooter. Okay, which is before the scooter? Car, tempo, truck. Then the vehicle after the car, which is the vehicle after the car? It is a scooter. You have to write here scooter. Two vehicles after the tempo. After the tempo, what the two vehicles are? Car and the scooter. Okay. Then the two vehicles between the truck and the scooter. Truck and the scooter. Between which is there? Car and tempo. Did you understand, students? Once you do this in your textbook. Okay. You read once. This and all you should read once and you can understand easily. Okay. Thank you.